And I'm 42 years old, and I've been snowboarding for a long time. And when I was a teenager, we used to watch Warren Miller films and VHS tapes of people doing backcountry. We'd be like, whoa, like, holy shit, like, you know, and I never thought that I'd be able to even do this. Even though I've been riding resorts for a long time, I never had any friends that did backcountry.
Thank you, Creator, for the blessing of bringing us all together to have a fun and safe trip.
I also just want to give thanks for this opportunity, this circle, all the information, and the experience of just being out here on like some of my tribal original homelands.
I don't even know where to start. I hope I don't get too emotional, because this has been really more than I could ever have expected.
Yes!
It is really great to go ride and be outside and learn these skills, but the more I'm around the mountains and in these communities, the more I learn. It's all about the people.
Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day.
Run through this.
1 meter.
7.3, 6, 4.4. I hit 405. I'm gonna start crawling and getting close to the snow as I can.
It's pretty amazing to be able to get avalanche information and stuff, because we're not able to get a lot of access to stuff like that. So it's important to me because I want to take my daughter, or I am going to take my daughter into the backcountry, and so it's a big opportunity for me to seize and be able to help my family and my people.